बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, मैं हूं मेहरान अली और आप देख रहे हैं मेहरान टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम शेक्सपियर के एक प्ले द विंटर्स टेल के एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे। तो इन एमसीक्यूज़ को सुनने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल मेहरान टीवी को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और उसके साथ लगे हुए बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक कर लें ताकि जब भी नई वीडियो अपलोड करूँ उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं द विंटर्स टेल्स एमसीक्यूज़। एमसीक्यू नंबर 1 है जी, पोलिशियंस एंड लियोनेस आर, ना तो वो मिलिट्री एलाइज हैं, हाँ बॉयहुड फ्रेंड्स हैं, बचपन के दोस्त हैं। बी इज़ ट्रू। लियोनेस becomes jealous and decides that Hermione is having an affair with. The true answer is D. Polygians. In order to deal with his wife's infidelity, Leonis orders Camillo to. The true answer is B. Poison Polygians. Disobeying his king's order, Camillo क्या करता है? The true answer is A. Helps Polygians escape. Next है जी, when Hermione gives birth to a daughter, Leonis orders the child abandoned in the wilderness. B is true. In order to prove the truth of his accusations against Hermione, Leonis क्या करता है? The true answer is he sends messengers to the oracle of Delphi. When Hermione's innocence is revealed, तो क्या होता है? Both Hermione and Mamilus die. D is true. After leaving Perdita on the Bohemian coast, Antigonus is killed by a bear. A is the true answer. After Perdita is abandoned, dash years pass before the story pick up again. The true answer is B. 16 years. Polygians and Camillo come to the shepherd's house when. The true answer is D. Florizel asks them to come. Next है, when Florizel and Perdita are about to be betrothed, Polygians reveals himself and puts a halt to the betrothal. A is the true answer. After his father threatens to disinherit him if he marries Perdita, Florizel, the true answer is resolves to flee with her. B is true. On Camillo's advice, Perdita and Florizel क्या करते हैं? Take a ship to Sicily. C is the true answer. After being threatened with hanging by Polygians, the shepherd resolves to tell the king that Perdita is not really his daughter. C is true. Thanks to Autolycus, the shepherd ends up. The true answer is A. Accompanying his daughter and Florizel to Sicily. In Sicily, Leonis promises Paulina. The true answer is A. Never to marry without her permission. Florizel and Perdita arrive in Sicily claiming to have sent by Polygians. B is the true answer. Their ruse fails when. The true answer is D. Polygians arrive in Sicily. After Perdita's true identity is revealed, तो क्या होता है? Everyone goes to Paulina's home. C is the true answer. At the end of the play, Autolycus, true answer is A, becomes a servant of the newly ennobled shepherd. Next है जी, the play ends with. The true answer is D. Hermione's statue coming to life. D वाला.